Hey everyone, welcome back to Millennials Matter. And for the newbies, thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you're here to stay. Let's get real. We've all been there staring at a bank account that looks like it's been on a diet, wondering how on earth anyone built wealth from scratch. Well, guess what? It's totally possible. It's not magic, it's not some secret handshake, it's about strategy. So if you're starting with basically nothing, but you've got the drive, this video is for you. We're diving into 5 actionable ways to build wealth, even when you're starting from zero. Number 1, master the art of strategic side hustling. Okay, I know you've heard it before, but seriously, side hustles are your secret weapon. But not just any side hustle. We're talking strategic side hustles. Don't just pick up anything. Think about skills you can develop, things that can scale, or even something that could turn into your main gig down the line. Think skill-based. Can you write, design, code? These skills are in high demand. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even specialized freelance sites are your friends. The example, maybe you're good at social media, offer to manage the accounts for local businesses. This not only brings in cash, but builds your portfolio and could lead to bigger clients. Think scalable. Can you create an online course, start a blog or YouTube channel, build an audience? These can generate passive income down the line. An example, love baking? Create a series of online baking tutorials. It takes upfront work, but once it's up, it can generate income while you sleep. Think future-proof. Consider industries with growth potential. Tech, online services, even niche crafts can be lucrative. An example, AI is booming. Even learning basic AI prompt engineering could open doors to freelance work. Or maybe you're passionate about sustainable living. Start a blog or Etsy shop focused on eco-friendly products. The key here isn't just about extra cash now. It's about building a foundation for something bigger. That extra $500 a month, that's not just for pizza. It's seed money for your future empire. Think long term. Number 2, become a budgeting ninja. No, seriously. Budgeting. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me, it's the financial equivalent of a superhero's origin story. You can't build wealth if you don't know where your money is going. It's like trying to navigate a city without a map. Track everything. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, or even a simple spreadsheet if you have to. Every coffee, every impulse buy, every subscription, write it down. An example, categorize your spending: food, housing, entertainment, transportation. Seeing the breakdown can be eye-opening. Categorize and analyze. Where is your money actually going? Are you surprised by how much you spend on eating out? Identify your leaks. An example, maybe you realize you're spending $100 a month on subscriptions you don't use. Cancel them. The zero-based budget. This is a game changer. Every dollar has a purpose. It's not just about restricting spending. It's about intentionally allocating your resources. For example, allocate a specific amount for groceries, entertainment, savings, debt repayment, etc. This forces you to be mindful of your spending. This isn't about deprivation, it's about control. When you're in control of your money, you can make it work for you, not the other way around. It's about making conscious choices about where your money goes. Number 3, embrace the power of small investments. Micro-investing is your friend. I don't have enough money to invest. That's the lie we tell ourselves. Micro-investing apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood have changed the game. You can literally start with a few dollars. Think of it like planting a tiny seed. Over time, it can grow into a mighty tree thanks to compound interest. Research micro-investing apps. There are tons out there. Find one that fits your style and start small. For example, many apps allow you to invest spare change from your purchases. It's a painless way to get started. Consistency is key. Even $10 a week is better than nothing. The magic of compound interest will work its wonders over time. For example, use a compound interest calculator to see how even small, regular investments can grow over decades. Don't be afraid to learn. Investing can seem scary, but there are tons of free resources online. Start with the basics. What are stocks, bonds, and ETFs? For example, Investopedia is a great resource for learning about investing. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a habit of investing. It's about understanding that even small amounts can grow significantly over time. It's about building wealth slowly but surely. Number 4, level up your skills. Knowledge is your real wealth. In today's world, skills are currency. The more valuable your skills, the more valuable you become. And the more valuable you are, the more you can earn. This is your long-term wealth building strategy. Identify in-demand skills. What are your employers looking for? What problems can you solve? For example, digital marketing, data analysis, coding, project management, these are all in-demand skills. Invest in your education. Online courses like Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, workshops, even free YouTube tutorials, the resources are out there. Take a free online course in Google Analytics to boost your digital marketing skills, for example. Don't stop learning. The world is constantly changing. Make lifelong learning a priority. For example, subscribe to industry newsletters, attend webinars, and stay up to date on the latest trends in your field. This isn't just about getting a better job. It's about creating opportunities for yourself. It's about becoming someone who can command higher pay and build a career you love. It's about increasing your earning potential. Number 5, build your network. Your net worth is your net worth. This isn't just about snoozing at fancy events. It's about building genuine relationships with people who can support you, inspire you, and open doors you never knew existed. Think of it as building your own personal board of advisors. Attend industry events, even online. Connect with people in your field. For example, attend online conferences, join relevant LinkedIn groups, and participate in industry discussions. Engage on social media. Follow influencers, join groups, and participate in conversations. For example, connect with people on LinkedIn who are working in your target industry. Offer value. Don't just ask for things. Offer your help and expertise to others. For example, share valuable articles, offer to provide feedback on projects, or volunteer your skills for a worthy cause. This isn't about using people. It's about building a community around you. It's about creating a support system that can help you achieve your goals. It's about learning from others and collaborating to achieve more than you could alone. So there you have it, 5 ways to build wealth when you're starting with nothing. It's not easy, but it's absolutely possible. It takes discipline, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But trust us, the payoff is worth it. What are your favorite wealth building tips? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial advice that is useful.